Civil emergency message has been issued for the state of Georgia. Approximately at 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. There's reports of a blood moon in the sky. However, people gotten symptoms of it. They include nausea, headaches, fever higher rate of 100, coughing or vomiting blood, extreme aggression, cannibalism, slurred speech, lack of appetite, rash, necrosis, profuse bleeding, and death. If you see anyone else that may have symptoms like these, call 911 immediately. Don't go outside. If you do, you're putting your life in risk. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request from the Georgia Police Department. Approximately at 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Zombies are roaming around the streets and eating the flesh of these humans. They have the following characteristics. They have a rotting body, torn clothing, craving for human flesh, slow movement, moaning or groaning noises. If more zombies enter your shelter, used armed protection by all needs. This includes lethal force. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available. Immediate evacuation for the city of Boise, approximately at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Zombies have the mutated and gain super strength and spikes on their arms and backs, making them more deadly. Approximately 200 deaths and 50 injuries and 300 transformations into zombies have been reported. Some reported that people have hysteria. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, hygiene, medicine, and radio at low volume. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available.
Event type is danger. Locations impacted include Ontario, Manitoba, and Niagara Falls. These zombies are attacking people they see. It's because of the blood moon. Don't be outside. If you do, you're putting your life in risk. If you are bitten, commit suicide immediately. If you don't, you'll become one of the zombies. Event type is attack. Locations impacted include all of Canada. This is not a test. Zombies are killing the human race. They have the following characteristics. They have a rotting body, torn clothing, craving for flesh, moaning or groaning noises, spikes on back and arms, extreme strength. Message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Zombies are killing the human race. Approximately at 5:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, all countries reported zombie attacks. The blood moon has been in the following countries. They include Iowa, Peru, UK, and more. There's no way to escape an event like this. You are strongly advised to gather with